Hi, I'm Q, and here are my top tips for how to make the most of your time and stay organised. So one thing that I like to do is to plan out all of my different activities and make sure that they have a set amount of time. For things that are timetabled, I put them into my calendar in advance so that I know what time I have free to do anything else. This then makes it easier to add in any other tasks that you might have to do and to also make plans with other people as you know what time you have free. If your class timetable is online, then I would also say downloading and adding your calendar to your personal calendar is another way of knowing exactly what time you have free or not. For somebody like me, I have a regularly changing class schedule, which means that some weeks I'm in uni and some weeks I'm not. And having this on my phone where I can always see it means that I know when I will be free and when I won't be free. Another important thing for me to do is to write out by hand a to-do list at the start of the week and on the day of, if I know that there's a lot of things that I need to do that day. This means that I'm efficient in knowing what tasks I need to do and exactly when I roughly should be doing them for. An additional step to this is adding them into your phone or into an app, something like that, and then you can actually have physical reminders. Another thing that I do is when I do know exactly when or where or how long for I need to do a task, I physically add them into my calendar so I've blocked off that time and I'll get a notification when it gets to that time. If you have a specific thing that you need to do, I would often say making a plan as either a handwritten document or like a Word document on a computer is definitely worth doing because it makes sure that you know exactly what you need, exactly what the steps are, and exactly what it is that you need to do. I also do this with assignments and make sure that I have all of the key information in one place, and therefore I can then add in all of the information that I know and that I need to act on into the same document. Depending on what course you are on and what kind of assignments you have, making a document with all of the information on it is definitely something that has really helped me with my studies. This includes information about the assignment brief, but also any notes that I have made throughout my lectures or seminars that have made a direct link to the assignment. If you have a group unit, sharing this document with the rest of your teammates will also help them to be more organised, and it is very good in knowing exactly who has what task to do and when. Also linking with group work, having something like a Teams group or a SharePoint site is another way of adding the key information in one particular place. A very important thing for me to do is to create bookmark folders. This means that all of the tabs that I need on a regular basis are manually saved into my computer, and then I can access them on a much easier basis. Another one that is more specific to different courses or different interests that you might have, but that is creating templates. For me, I personally create templates for my risk assessments, house session plans, my essays, and also my references sources, as it helps me to be more organised and to keep on top of things. By creating a template, it also ensures that I'm including all of the key information that I need to. I hope that these tips have helped you to manage your time and to be more organised. Thanks for watching.